The coordinates of the vertices of a triangle ABC are given to us. We need to determine the length of the median through A. So let's do that. Let us consider a triangle A, B, and C. Now the coordinates of A, that's -1, 3. Coordinates of B are 1, -1, and coordinates of vertex C, so that's 5, 1. Now we need to find out the length of the median through A. That means let's first denote the midpoint of B and C at D. So if we join AD, so that's going to be the median of the triangle, and we need to determine the length of that particular median. First, what we'll do, let's find out the midpoint of the length of side BC. So that's simply the coordinate of D. That's going to be given by, so all we have to do is take the sum of the x coordinates of the endpoint. So we're going to add 1 and 5, and then we're going to divide it by 2. To find out the y coordinates, we're going to add the y coordinates of the endpoint. So that's -1 plus 1, and we're going to divide it by 2. So this is going to give us the coordinate of the point D. So 5 plus 1, that's 6. 6 divided by 2, that's 3. -1 plus 1, that's 0. 0 over 2, that's going to be 0. So that means the coordinate of the point D, that's going to be 3, 0. Now that we have the coordinate of point D, we can easily find out the length of the median AD. So we will use here the distance formula. So here we will take the square root underneath the square root. First we'll have to take the difference of the x coordinate, square it, and then add it to the difference of the y coordinate, square. Okay, let's find out the difference of the x coordinate. So here we'll take -1 minus 3. So we're going to square it and then add it to the difference of the y coordinate. So that's 3 minus 0. Okay, so this is going to give us a value. We have square root of, so -1 minus 3, that's -4. Squaring it gives us 16. Then we have 3 minus 0, that's simply 3. Squaring it gives us 9. So that means we have square root of 25, and 25 being a perfect square. So the length of AD comes out to be 5 units.